Wouldn't it be nice to see some crazy? Your favorite? Yeah, no, alright. Cool. Stay cool. And let's continue, guys. 31, okay. Coin flip Hachi or Hunt, where are you? Waiting. Last bonus game was 6 spins ago. Crazy time. Have no idea how was it actually, but maybe some juice will appear eventually here again. Crazy time with a free X actually. Wouldn't be too shabby. Wouldn't it be nice to see some crazy? Actually, woohoo, baby! Crazy time, free X, let's go! Oh my, what a fancy one! Let's go! Crazy time, let's go, baby! Yeehaw! Alright, 3 times crazy time on top shot, and it is here. Now let's see what kind of wonderful wheel we will have here. Hopefully some real juicer. Oh, this one is super nice, triple and 200, so how much it will be? 600, yeah? 600X will be on the wheel. Oh boy, guys, pick the color. Green, blue, yellow. Woo! Oh, baby, don't you know what's for? Green, blue, yellow, 600. I wish you the best. Woo! Oh, we have a 45 blue, 150 yellow, and 600X green!
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.